Kia ora. I'm going to always remember this time here with everyone here because I've woven your stories into my korowai here. From today, so this part here where I've done the frame is when we talked and did our whakawhanaunga time with each other, and so during that time I was able to get that done. The next design here is the mawhiti, and that's when we're going through your induction and post-shared the Te Tawera vision with everyone and all the history that goes with it. And this is the starting of the Potama design, which is what people call the stairway to heaven. And the first 3 rows there is the korero around the maunga, honour the maunga vision and strategic direction and the way forward and all the discussions that happened there. So yeah, and I named it Te Ao o Taku Manawa, because in here there's been a whole lot of emotions that have come through, you know, the good, the not so good, the sad. Just this past week I've had 2 tangihangas of dear people close to us that I've attended, but just sharing everyone's stories, and that's my part of my world. And yeah, and I'm going to give this one to one of my mokopunas. Yeah, her name is Huarangi, Vera Dawn, so she's my namesake and she's 4 years old.